What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, we have clearance JoJo shoes. I don't really know exactly what we're gonna look at in this video, but hey, by the time I edit it and tag it, I would have figured it out. Right now, I'm just appreciating all these super cute and new shoes for little girls. They are super, super cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at Stitch. These are so cute. I want to be a little girl right now. Like, I'll just switch places with my niece for like a day and then just wear like all the cute little shoes because those are so adorable. And these are brand new, you guys, as well. And this is sort of like a faux leather. It's not really a foam, it's more of a faux leather, but actually really cute. I saw someone in Trader Joe's today wearing these and I definitely noticed them from across the parking lot. She was leaving Trader Joe's. I was getting ready to go in and I saw these and I was like, those look really cute. Like really, really cute. Those are $14.98. We have even more Croc dupes, white, a super pretty green, and a fuchsia. These are definitely a hot seller this spring here in Walmart. I mean, instead of paying like 30 something or 40 something dollars, you can get them here for under 10. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this backpack. It is $24.88. We also have this style with the two little straps. And it looks like some of these little accessories are on clearance. Phone sticker pockets, earbud cases, little things like that. They're all on clearance for $3. Ooh, I missed these in the last video. We have one more display of tie-dye themed hair accessories and the super pretty hair clips. Those are really pretty. Really, really pretty for $5.88. We have headbands. Ooh, I love this style. One of my friends on TikTok, she wears like the most prettiest headbands, and I think she wears one that's braided. I think that's my favorite one on her. It's not this design, but it looks so, so cute. Like, try a headband on, you guys. Get yourself a headband. It actually looks so, so cute. I don't know. Like, sometimes I see stuff and I'm like, oh, I want to do that. And then it's like, I don't know. Can I do that? And then sometimes you try it and you're like, yeah, I can totally do that. You guys know what I mean. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a little hair cuff. In my last video, we were looking at items over in this area. We have so many new super cute hair accessories and jewelry for summer. Like really, really cute stuff. This is $8.88. 3 sets of earrings and 4 little hair clips. We have some really cute stuff from Walmart this summer. Like, look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. So, so cute. The little eye. I'm trying to remember what that's called right now. It's like the protector eye or something. I love this set. This set is really cute. Like, so dang cute. $8.88, you guys. These are the sorts of things that if you see it and you really like it, you should grab it now, because these items sell out quickly. They're, you know, inexpensive enough and nice enough that I think a lot of people are buying them for birthdays and just, you know, buying them just to look cute, because you're going to look really, really cute with those accessories. We have so many new backpacks. Those are $16.97. All the face masks are here, of course. I haven't seen a lot of clearance on face masks. Here where I live, we are all still wearing our face masks. I know some states are not requiring them anymore, but here where I live, we are required to wear face masks still. So some are full price and some are on clearance. Here are some of the clearance ones. 5 in a pack for $5, down from $9.97. Also, you guys, and these are super popular and almost sold out, we have the little 2-piece set. It's the matching hair tie and the face mask. Again, those are $5.97. Definitely check out my last video, you guys, if you want to see some of the summer themed jewelry and hair accessories. They are so cute. And behind me, we have tons of graduation stuff. We even have some color changing graduation cups for $3.98. You guys know you can get the set of 3 for, I think it's $5.97 of the color changing cups. The hot color changing and the cold color changing. Ooh, what's this? Better Homes Gifts in Bloom. Oh, this is really nice. Really, really nice. These are really pretty. These are mums. Super pretty. Ooh, I like this. Pretty blue. What? It's melamine? It's actually melamine, you guys. I thought it was real. It totally had me fooled. It's by Better Homes for $2.48, and it's melamine, something your kids can't break. We also have the bowls for $2.48. I really like this material. What is it? Let's see. I think it's melamine, but let's see. It is, yes, melamine and BPA free. I really like the speckles. We have some really cute blue ones back here that I'm loving. I think I want to get a few of these. Like, these are really pretty. Ooh, I like it. Get them now, you guys, because this stuff goes really fast. These are so cute. $148 each. I am loving the blue. We have this variety, and this one. I really love the peach. I love all of them, you guys. What do I do? Help. Get 2 of each? I don't know. You know, you see one and you're like, that's what I'm getting. And then you see other ones and you're like, oh my gosh, those are so pretty too. What do I do, you guys? What do I do? Which one? Let me know in the comments. Which one should I get? Peach, the blueprint, or the cracked blue variety? What do I do, you guys? Help. Okay, you guys, I have a decision to make, and then I'm going to start a whole nother video. But thank you guys so much for joining me here in Walmart. We have so many new things to look at. Like, I'm just still only getting out once a week, so everything is brand new to me every time I get out, and it's a lot of fun. So I hope you guys will consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Subscribe and join the fun. We have more brand new stuff to look at over there. I'm seeing super cute summer stuff, and we have beach towels. I think we're just gonna do like a summer video. I'm really feeling it. It was nice today, and I think I want to do a summer video. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.